Drove out where the pavement dies, just me and the radio playing static. Found a place where the world goes quiet, and I could finally think straight. No mirrors out here, just the sky falling into itself. Dust and silence, dust and silence, that's where I find my name. Dust and silence, nothing asks me who I am. The road got rougher and I got smaller. Maybe I got bigger. Hard to tell when you're alone with your own breathing, and the engine's the only thing that knows where you're going. No one calling, just the wind saying go, go, go. Dust and silence, dust and silence,